Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a server script, service script, and data store service access. Next, create a Leaderstats folder for each player and add int value or string value objects to represent each stat. Once done, define a unique key for saved data, typically player. User ID so each player's data maps reliably. Make sure to require game get service, data store service, at the top and cache your data store reference for reuse. This prevents repeated lookups and reduces runtime overhead. You load data when player added fires. Pcall get a sync with the player key, then populate Leaderstats values or apply defaults if no data exists. Once the values exist, wire change listeners to each stat. When a stat changes, call update async or set async inside a pcall to persist increments safely. Also, use a debounce or queue to avoid rapid writes. Make sure to fall back to sensible defaults and to merge remote updates with local values to avoid overwrites from race conditions. You finalize by saving on player removing and by implementing periodic autosaves. Wrap set async or update async in pcall and record any errors for later review. Once done, handle graceful server shutdowns by iterating players and saving their Leaderstats synchronously where possible. If Datastore calls fail, retry with exponential backoff and keep a retry limit to prevent infinite loops, and make sure to notify an admin or log the key and error. This approach preserves player progress and surfaces issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.